Find the natural domain and corresponding range of g of f of x if f of x is x squared minus 6 and g of x is the square root of x plus 2. Okay, so let's form an expression. So g of f of x means we do f first and then we do g. Okay, so we'll put x into f and out comes x squared take away 6. And then here we'll have the square root of x squared take away 6 plus 2. Remember, we just replace this x with whatever goes in. And so that is the square root of x squared take away 4. Now it's a square root, so we know that we can only input the positive values in there and 0. So think about x squared take away 4. So x squared take away 4 looks like that, and the intercepts there are 2 and negative 2, and we get positive values that way from negative 2 and that way from positive 2. So we can say that g of f of x is equal to the square root of x squared take away 4. But we want to specify the natural domain here. So the natural domain would be real values where x is less than or equal to negative 2 or x is greater than or equal to 2. And you can use some set notation if you want, some fancy set notation to make that a union of those two sets and so on. But this is perfectly adequate to give as the answer. Now let's think about it. When x is 2 or negative 2, we end up with a 0 under there. The square root of 0 is 0. And then as we move away, the numbers get bigger and bigger. And so the range is going to be that y is all reals greater than or equal to 0.